iOS 18.3 has finally arrived, and like every new update, it comes with a notorious battery drain issue. Let's explore some effective ways to mitigate this problem. First and foremost, if you've noticed that your iPhone is consuming more battery than usual, Apple recommends waiting a few days without making any changes. This is because the device runs numerous background processes immediately after an update, which can temporarily increase power consumption. However, if the issue persists beyond the initial adjustment period, there are several optimizations you can implement to extend battery life. The first step is to ensure that you are running the latest official version of iOS 18.3, not a beta release. To check for updates, navigate to Settings General Software Update. Verify that the installed version is the full public release and not a beta. If the official version is available, install it. Another effective measure is disabling haptic feedback. Open Settings, locate the Sounds and Haptics section, and tap on it. In the subsequent menu, select the Haptics option and set it to either Never Play or Play in silent mode. Since vibrations significantly impact battery life, turning them off can help reduce power consumption. Next, adjust the screen distance setting. Return to the main settings screen, find Screen Time, and tap on it. In the new menu, locate Screen Distance and ensure that this option is turned off. While this feature is useful for preventing users from holding their phone too close to their eyes, it also contributes to battery drain. Additionally, try to minimize the use of cellular data and rely on Wi-Fi whenever possible, as mobile data tends to consume more power. That's it for this guide. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.